Today we are going to discuss coronavirus disease or COVID-19. First of all, microorganisms are different types: bacteria, archaea and eukaryotes. And in eukaryotes, entamoeba, fungi, some plants and some animals. And as well as the viruses are concerned, generally viruses considered as non-living, and viruses are not considered as microorganisms. Then what are the viruses? And viruses are actually submicroscopic infectious particles. They are not living organisms and they only replicates inside the living cells. Can infect all types of life forms, for example plants, animals, humans and bacteria even, and fungi. The viruses which infect the bacteria are called bacteriophage. Now we will go to the discovery of the coronavirus. Coronavirus was first discovered in animals in 1930s, and in humans the coronavirus is first discovered in 1960. There were two strains of human coronavirus that were discovered at that time. Number one is the 229E and the second one is OC43. Now coronavirus is different types and the time of the discovery. First in animals in 1930, then in 1960s in humans there were two strains, 229E and OC43, and the third one SARS coronavirus in 2003, and then the fourth one is HKOV NL63 in 2004, and the fifth one is HKU1 in 2005, and then MERS coronavirus in 2012, and in the end SARS coronavirus 2 or novel coronavirus in December 2019 in China. We will see the structure of the novel coronavirus which cause COVID-19 disease. Coronavirus is actually a single-stranded RNA particle. It is composed of an envelope, and on envelope there are multiple structures which are anchored. These are labeled as a spike protein, is also called spike glycoprotein or S protein, M protein, E protein and hemagglutinin esterase dimers, and inside the envelope there are RNA and N protein. Coronavirus is a large spherical particle with surface projections. Now we will know the surface projections of the envelope. There are three surface projections which are mainly include M protein, E protein and S protein, and inside the envelope there are single-stranded RNA with N protein. Now we will know the outbreaks of coronavirus diseases. There are mainly three outbreaks according to the different types of coronaviruses. Number one is the MERS coronavirus outbreak in 2012, 15 and 18, and SARS coronavirus in 2002, 3 and 4, and then SARS coronavirus 2 or novel coronavirus COVID-19 in 2019. Then we will go to discuss COVID-19 disease. It is an infectious disease caused by SARS coronavirus or novel coronavirus, and about 80% of the patients which are infected with the coronavirus experienced mild to moderate symptoms and need not any special treatment. And about 20% of the patients which are older people or people with comorbidities like diabetes and hypertension are more likely to develop serious diseases. Now there are few clinical symptoms or features of the coronavirus like fever, cough, shortness of breath, sore throat and tiredness. Now how the coronavirus is spread from an infected person to another person. It spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Now it comes to the treatment of the coronavirus. Actually at this time there are no specific vaccines or treatment for this coronavirus. We can prevent it by following measures: wash your hands frequently, maintain social distancing, avoid touching mouth, nose and eyes frequently, maintaining your respiratory hygiene and wearing the mask whenever you go outside. If you have cough, fever, shortness of breath, please seek medical advice and stay informed and follow the advice given by health professional. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you.